So a gamma knife is a tool that we can use to treat brain tumors with focused beams of radiation that allow us to obliterate the brain tumors and have very little additional damage to the patient's brain. So many brain tumors are difficult to do surgery on because you have to go through the normal brain to do surgery. Sometimes there's too many brain tumors to do surgery. And there are other treatments that we can use to deliver radiation to the brain, such as treating the entire brain with radiation, which is called whole brain radiation therapy. But that has a number of undesirable side effects. And so in appropriately selected patients, the gamma knife can be used to give patients a single treatment of radiation that essentially ablates the tumor without ever having to open up the skull and do a conventional surgery.
One thing about having the patients go outside for treatment is that the doctors that treat these patients are not the doctors who will be following them, and that creates a little bit of a disconnect. So with this machine, with this technology, with the expertise that we have here, we will be able to treat the patient and continue to follow them, and that is very comforting to our patients.
We were under the impression from the NRC that everything was a go, and then they discovered that there's some additional paperwork that they needed, and they had some issues, and that was going to be resolved, I think, in some great length of time. And the senator helped us get through that so that we could get the gamma knife going and get patients treated. And these were patients that needed treatment, and we were going to have to look into alternatives for them to travel to Seattle, and Senator Murkowski stepped in and helped us with that, and we're very appreciative.
We hope that we will be able to treat about 50 to 75 patients a year in our facility, and that means 50 to 75 patients who don't have to travel out of state. We thank the Senator for helping us with this project tremendously, and it would not have been done if not for the Senator's